welcome to Superior Industries 2020 CONEXPO booth. I'm here to show you a little bit about our new 3055 jaw crusher. So this is a 3055 feet opening, and it's going to be part of our new bolted line of jaw crushers. This one here comes in under 60,000 pounds, so it's going to be perfect for portable applications. You can see here we also have it as in a mid-mount configuration, which is also going to help for portable applications. Of course, it can be stationary as well. One thing I'll point out is these big high inertial flywheels that are going to help keep the energy through your crushing stroke. We have some big spherical roller bearings in here that are going to be able to handle a lot of the high crushing and impact loads you're going to see with a primary jaw like this. And we also have a big high strength machined forged shaft that's going to help handle some of those loads as well. You can see here we have a hydraulic wedge adjust system, so you're able to adjust your closed side setting and the size of rock coming out of your crusher with the push of a button. From the back side here, we also have hydraulic tension system, which is also gonna help maintain the tension on your toggle, and will also help with your simple single push button adjustments. We have an integral motor mount. This is going to be great for if you've got this on a plant. You could set the motor right here, so that's going to be great. You can see we have the drive side here over on the left, but that's actually reversible, and the motor mount will be reversible as well, so you could drive this either from the left or the right. Let's go around here, point out a few other things. One thing that we removed for the show is our fiberglass guards. Those are going to be really lightweight guards that are going to be easy for a single person to remove for service or whatever you need to do. Those are going to be really nice.
Oh my gosh.
You can see down here we have a replaceable toe, so that's going to make it really nice for as your liners wear. You can pull those in and out. It's all bolted in, so you can make changes to your wear parts. Everything's bolted in, and you're never going to have to rework your pitman. We also have bolted in cheek plates, so pretty much all of your wear parts are going to be simple bolt-in pieces that are going to be really easy to replace. Including this barrel protector plate we have up top in the orange there. That's going to help protect any feed that comes in high. Is going to protect your really expensive parts like your pitman. So that's going to be really great to have as well. And so those are just a few of the features that we have on this 3055 bolted model. It's one of several crushers that are going to be part of this line, and we're really excited about it.